So when you're doing all this blocking, you want to make sure that you're in a comfortable position. If you're not going to spend much time on it. It's not going to come out as good as it needs to. My bed stand is adjustable up and down. My stool's adjustable up and down. So I can kind of keep everything in that comfort zone where I can spend a lot of time blocking and getting it like I need to. There'll be some points where you have to stretch out and do some things, but you really want to be able to move yourself into the position that's most comfortable to get this work done. If you don't stay comfortable, you get tired easy, you just want to go home. So we got a little bit more done on the bedside. We got it blocked. There's a low spot in the middle. Had to wipe that. Working on the top of the rail there, top of the bedside. It's gonna need some work. Around the taillight pocket needs work. It's not in that bad a shape, but it's just taking a lot of time. This VP 2050 that's on here, really like this primer, but this has been on here for 9-10 months now. It's hard. It's really hard. I'm blocking it with 120, and it's still taking a while to cut it down. That's one of the good features about it, is it locks down, it gets hard, doesn't move, doesn't shrink. But if you wait a long time to block on it, you're gonna have to put some elbow grease in it to get it to block. So we got all that going, got it re-wiped. It's getting late, we're gonna go ahead and call it a day. A couple people have been asking about the Squarebody and what's going on with it. It's kind of on hold till I get finished with this one. I'll give you a quick peek at its resting place. So that's what's up. We're in storage, we're in between. Got a little temporary thing going on where I can get done with this project. So the old dust factory's gone. I hope to be able to build another shop before too long. Keep this thing going. I got plenty of projects. Need a place to do them. We'll be back here on this one as soon as we can. Try to keep it going. Try to get done with it. Still quite a bit to do on this bed, but we're still chopping away at it a little at a time. I don't think it's going as fast as it was just because of time crunch. This is my busy time of the year for the day job, so I'm just gonna keep plowing away at it every chance I get. See if we can't get this part of the project done, get back to the Squarebody. That's the plan. Y'all hang out. Thanks for watching. We're gonna keep this thing going. Y'all be good.